गुरुजी को और गुरुजी की संगत को प्रणाम, नमस्कार। गुरुजी का लाख लाख शुक्राना। गुरुजी ने हम सब पे इतने डिफिकल्ट टाइम्स में अपनी कृपा बनाए रखी है एंड आई जस्ट प्रे टू गुरुजी कि वो इसी तरह हम सब पे अपनी सारी संगत पे कृपा बनाए रखें। माय जर्नी विद गुरुजी स्टार्टेड more than 21 years back and Guruji used to be in Empire State that time. When I met Guruji, I was very, very enamored by his presence, the way he was. And at that time, Delhi में इतने सारे बाबाज होते थे, priests होते थे. But as I started going to Guruji, I realized that Guruji was not one of those. Guruji was not a priest, he was not a Baba, he was not a magician, he was not an astrologer. He was actually God in human form. Guruji अंतर्यामी थे, Guruji omnipresent थे, and with my experiences with Guruji and with my journey with Guruji over the years, in fact very soon I started realizing that Guruji अपनी सारी संगत को इतना प्यार देते थे, इतना प्यार देते थे। हम वहाँ जाते थे, गुरुजी के चरणों में बैठते थे, लंगर प्रसाद खाते थे और गुरुजी इतने प्यार से लाड करके अपनी संगत को खिलाते थे। भर भर के गुरुजी हलवा प्रसाद, कभी लड्डू प्रसाद, और इतने शौक से वो अपनी संगत को प्यार करना। उन्होंने जो गुरुजी के दरबार पे आता था वो अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स गुरुजी से लेकर ही जाता था। ऐसा कुछ नहीं था कि कोई गुरुजी के पास बैठा है, कोई गुरुजी के दूर बैठा है। गुरुजी हर इंसान को ब्लेस करते थे, हर संगत को। बट the only thing was there were no ifs and buts. You have to leave your ifs and buts outside and come inside to Guruji. It was just about surrender. From 2000 November, Guruji started telling me कि एक मुंडा ले ले, एक मुंडा ले ले. So I would just keep quiet and I would sit quietly and I would say कि ऐसे मैं आती हूँ, मत्था टेकती हूँ, and I just sit and Guruji says एक मुंडा ले ले. So this thing went on till 2003. On Guruji's birthday, 7th of July, we were all sitting in the Bada Mandir, and when it was time to take Agya and go, so I touched Guruji's feet. It was his birthday that day, and he said कि जा तेरा कल्याण कर दिया, तेनू मुंडा दे देता. So I just kept quiet. I just touched his feet. I took Agya, came back home. I didn't say anything, and I was just quiet because 2000 नवंबर से और 2003 तक गुरुजी ये चीज बहुत ऑफन रिपीटेडली मुझे बोलते थे. सो संगत जी, इट्स एक्चुअली अबाउट फेथ, सरेंडर एंड गुरुजी's टाइमिंग. Sure enough, I conceived in 2003 after Guruji's blessings. I was actually going to London to meet some doctors and then start medical treatment. And there was no way that this pregnancy would have been possible without any medical intervention. So when I told Guruji, yes Guruji, I have conceived, and of course Guruji ही हमारे, मेरे लिए तो Guruji was mother, father, God, doctor, everything. So I asked Guruji, I said Guruji अब आप ही बता दो कौन सी डॉक्टर पे भी जाना है. So he told me one doctor and he told me कि तू एदे कोल जा. So I said ठीक है Guruji. He said और इस डॉक्टर ਨੂੰ ले के आई अपने नाल. I said ठीक है Guruji. So I went, and in my wallet there was a small swaroop of Guruji which I used to carry all the time. I just took that out, I gave it to that doctor, showed it to her. I said this is my Guruji and this pregnancy is very, very special because without any medical treatment it could not have been possible, and this is my Guruji's blessing and I really request you to come to Guruji with me. And she was very arrogant and she says, please put this photograph inside, and I don't believe in Babas and all. Come on, stand on the weighing scale, check your weight. I was very disheartened. I was actually heartbroken. I just kept quiet, listened to her, did my first meeting with the doctor, came back. I came back to Guruji. Sure enough, Guruji asked me, "Ki कहती तेरी doctor?" So I said, Guruji, वो तो बहुत arrogant है, वो नहीं आई. अच्छा, एक दिन नक रगड़ती भी आएगी. I said, ठीक है. I just sat down. So then the next time I went, I still tried, I attempted, I told her, I said, please come with me and I really want you to come to Guruji. And she refused. She just point blank refused. I felt very bad. So I came back to Guruji, and then Guruji just told me, तो एक काम कर, तो लंदन चली जा. I said ठीक है, and he said if date में वापस आई. So I said ठीक है Guruji, but that was a long time. It almost was like for like 1.5 to 2 months or something like that. So, but obviously Guruji's agya, Guruji's hukum, I went, and we were there in London. So one day I felt very sick over there. I was really unwell, and also I tried to contact the doctor from there who was treating me, and she just wouldn't come on the line. And then my family from here tried to contact her. I didn't know what to do. So we called up, I called up Guruji, and I just called at Empire State, and I said, please मेरी Guruji से बात करा दो. Guruji came on the line, and I told him कि Guruji ऐसे मैं बहुत बीमार हूँ, मुझे बहुत severe allergy हो गई है. So he told me one doctor to speak to, and I contacted that doctor. So, and of course that doctor gave me a medicine. I felt much better after that. I became fine. After that I had my medical appointment with the doctor in London. When I went there and she saw the reports, and she was so happy. She couldn't believe it. She's like, okay, this is a miraculous thing, and you've actually conceived without any medical treatment, and it's really good. And I told her about Guruji, and she was also like, surprised. So it was such a big blessing for me. This is like my favorite and most precious blessing, because only God has the power to create life, and that's what Guruji did for me. So same time after that, I wanted to talk to Guruji and just tell him कि ऐसे डॉक्टर को मिल नहीं हूँ और सब ठीक है. So once I called again, and then I just told Guruji कि हाँ जी Guruji, ये डॉक्टर तेरी हैरान हो गई. I said हाँ जी. कहते फिर की होया. I said बस Guruji वो तो इतनी हैरान, she couldn't believe it. कहते देख ले डॉक्टर नो फेल कर देता. And Guruji had this very unique way of challenging doctors. Guruji used to really challenge doctors, and he would say जब डॉक्टर ही फेल हो जाती है तब गुरुजी blessing काम आती है. So that time only when I was speaking to him, he asked me कितने भटक रही है तू. And actually Sangat ji, I was going from one shop to another to find shoes for Guruji. There was no shop which I had left almost to find these walking shoes for him, which I really wanted to carry back with myself. So I said कि Guruji बस ऐसे जूते ढूंढ रही है. I said हाँ जी. And I'm having this conversation with Guruji on the phone. He said Russell and Bromley जा. Russell and Bromley is a store in London. Guruji had no passport. Guruji obviously was in Delhi, and there he's sitting and telling me which store to go to. I walk into that shop, and sure enough those shoes are there for Guruji, as if he just knew everything. That's why I say that Guruji is omnipresent. You can be here in Delhi and Guruji can be in Jalandhar, or you can be in Jalandhar or London or Dubai, anywhere. And Guruji knows everything. Guruji can actually tell you, Guruji used to actually tell us the color of the curtains also in someone's room. And we used to be amazed with his omnipresence, his powers, everything. Guruji had immense divine powers. Guruji was Sakshat Shiv in human form. Then it was time for me to come back. The return date that Guruji had given me, I was meant to be coming back. I came back, and when I came back, I realized that my first trimester of the pregnancy was over. So obviously Guruji had wished and planned something for me. So I came back, and then I told Guruji, I said, Guruji, I want to change my doctor. I don't want to continue with her. They say I was little upset with this doctor because she had refused to come to Guruji. So then he just asked me, अच्छा कहते कोल जाना चाहती है? I said, आप बताओ. So then he just thought, and I said, Guruji, Manjeet Kochhar. He said, हाँ, Manjeet Kochhar de kol chali ja. So I said, ठीक है. I went to her. I told her also about Guruji, and she said, fine. Then as the months went by, closer to my date of delivery, Guruji one day asked me, कदों दी date दित्ती है डॉक्टर ने तेनू? So I said, Guruji, around 24th, 25th March. He said, तेरी डॉक्टर नो कुछ नहीं पता. 29 नो मुंडा होएगा और नॉर्मल दे वास्ते ट्राई करेंगे, सिजेरियन नहीं होना है. So I just thought to myself, I said, ये भी गुरुजी ने प्लान कर लिया है. Sangat ji, sure enough, I was admitted in the hospital on the 29th of March, and the doctor had told me, no, we will go ahead with a normal delivery. But by the time it was evening, she says, no, there is some complication and we just have to rush you in for a cesarean. Sure enough, it was a cesarean, as said by Guruji. I was blessed with a baby boy. Guruji named him Shiv with his blessings. And after my son was born, when my family contacted Guruji to tell him that कि अब ऐसे मुंडा हो, so when Sudha aunty picked up the phone and she spoke and she was going towards Guruji just said, हाँ मैंने पता है, and she said Gayatri, हाँ मैंने पता है Gayatri दा मुंडा हो गया है. So Guruji would actually be present with you all the time. Sangat ji, it is only and only about surrender. This is my best and biggest blessing from Guruji. Like I would say again and again, only and only God has the power to create life, and that's what Guruji did. Guruji is God in human form. So my other experiences with Guruji, in 2001, I was actually in Ahmedabad that time. I was finishing my post-graduation. I had come to Delhi on the 23rd of January, and I was meant to be going back. I was meant to be going back from Delhi to Ahmedabad on the 23rd of Jan. I went back. I had some exams to give. So around the 25th, just after 2 days, I was very uncomfortable in the evening, and I felt, no, I think I should go back. But I just knew I'd just come 2 days back, so I had a lot of studies to do and some exams to clear. But I don't know what made me just stay with this feeling, I should go back. And I just kept praying to Guruji, Guruji, I think I want to just come back. And I had no flight ticket, I had nothing. So by the evening, I just went to my room and I just collected took some of my stuff and I just left for the airport. I reached the airport and I just requested the lady at the counter around 7 o'clock that, can I please have a ticket to Delhi? And it was an Air India flight. And she says, no, the flight is totally sold out because it was the 26th January weekend. It was 25th Jan. She says, there's no ticket available. I just waited patiently at the counter for quite some time. And I just kept requesting her, please see if there's a cancellation. Please issue me a ticket. I really want to take this flight. And I just did not want to go back to my institute. I waited, and there was a pilot, very gentle person over there, and he was looking at me. By then the crew and all had come, and he eventually came forward and he asked me that, what is the matter? I said, I really want to go back to Delhi on this flight. And he said, okay. So he also spoke to that lady, and she said, I'll have to wait, till the time the counter doesn't shut almost. So sure enough, just before the counter shut, there was one cancellation. She says, there's one no-show, and I'll give you that ticket. I got the ticket. I came back, and my family was also quite surprised that, why have you just come back after 2 days? So you had to be there for a week, 10 days, or maybe a little longer, do your exams and come back. Came back, slept. The next morning when I woke up, 8:45 in the morning on 26 Jan 2001, there was a massive earthquake in Gujarat and in Ahmedabad. My institute where my room was, there were stairs going below that, and those stairs broke. There was so much damage over there, so much damage, you cannot even imagine. But it was Guruji. There was this force that was just getting me wanting to come back. And the interesting part is, before I left, when I went to Matha Teko and say thank you to Guruji and I'm going back to Ahmedabad, and I just told him कि Guruji मैं वापस जा रही हूँ, and he just smiled, he didn't say anything. And I just looked at him, I said, ये कुछ बोल ही नहीं रहे हैं आज, अच्छा ठीक है. But that's what probably Guruji already knew, that I was meant to be coming back in 2 days, which I did not realize. Nobody knew. There was so much damage over there in my institute, the hostel. There was a swaroop of Guruji's in my room over there. And my friends who were there, they said that, even we prayed to your Guruji. And luckily there was no harm, no injury to any life, anything. This was Guruji. He would often say that कि एक संगत को bless करता हूँ और उनके साथ इतनों का कल्याण हो जाता है. This is exactly what happened. Just the building next to my institute, there was so much damage. People got severe injuries and everything. And the same day, on the 26th, when I came in the evening to Guruji's Darbar, I matha tekod, and Guruji said, "Fir bacha litta na, bachav ho gaya tera." And I just matha tekod and I just said thank you, and I kept smiling, and I just knew that this was Guruji. And that's when I came to know that when I was leaving, just a few days back, he did not say a word to me. Guruji actually handholds us through everything. We just have to give a little bit of love and 100% surrender. Guruji भर के प्यार वापस देते हैं, वो झोलियां भर देते हैं. Literally, इतना प्यार, इतना. Guruji can actually give you so much love that your whole family would give you. that is the kind of love that Guruji has blessed me with, and the family also. Guruji was so kind and so loving, but very strict at the same time. No ifs and buts, no kintu parantu with Guruji. So after that, after some time, Guruji went to Jalandhar from Delhi, and he was there. So he actually called us all to Jalandhar. So when we went to, just before that, I had a terrible ligament tear and I was in a cast. I was on bed rest for quite some time, and Guruji messages भिजवा रहे थे वहाँ से आने को. So the moment my cast was opened and I did some physio, I thought that no, the first thing we should do is go to Jalandhar, and yes, we all went to Jalandhar. Guruji had given us an address. We had never met this lovely Sangat. We went to Preeti Auntie's house in Jalandhar. When we reached over there, we actually felt as if Guruji was there already. Just outside her house in the garden area, there was a charpai and Guruji was sitting there. It was so nice. Matha teko. The moment I touched his feet, he says, "Sat lagi thi teno?" I said, "Hanji." He says, "Chal, kalyan ho gaya tera." And we all sat inside. प्रीति आंटी ने इतने प्यार से हम सब के लिए चाइनीज बना के रखा था. गुरुजी वॉज वेरी फॉन्ड ऑफ ईटिंग चाइनीज फूड, मंचूरियन, फ्राइड राइस, नूडल्स. गुरुजी ने इतने प्यार से हमें वहां पे भी लंगर खिलाया उनके घर में. वी ऑल सैट विद गुरुजी. इट वॉज एक्चुअली एज इफ यू नो, इट वॉज one of the best trips I would feel till then of my life with Guruji, because it was just so loving. It was just Guruji and us and Preeti auntie and her family. उन्होंने इतना प्यार दिया, इतना ऐसा लगा ही नहीं as if we've gone to somebody's house whom we are meeting for the first time. She was so loving. And of course, another miraculous experience in her house for me. Guruji gave me his divine prasad that day after we all ate lunch, and इतनी खुशबू गुरुजी की, इतनी खुशबू. And after that, I actually realized how strong and powerful Guruji is, and how much that Sachkhand, his prasad, it was just full of fragrance of roses, and it was just so beautiful. We all had a little bit of that, and then I kept it, and Preeti auntie took me with her. We got a new steel ki dabbi, kept it in that safely. It was such a beautiful divine day. गुरुजी ने प्रसाद दिया, गुरुजी ने ब्लेस करा, और उसके बाद भी उनको ये था, नहीं तुम सब ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करके आए हो, अब जाओ आराम करो और शाम को टाइम से जलंधर मंदिर आ जाना. एंड वी ऑल वेंट, रेस्टेड. गुरुजी जस्ट टोल्ड अस कि इतने बजे मंदिर आ जाना. वी रीच्ड द जलंधर मंदिर इन द इवनिंग. सच अ ब्यूटिफुल एक्सपीरियंस अगेन विद हिम. गुरुजी वाज जस्ट full of love. It was just endless love coming from Guruji's side. But the only thing was, Sangatji, Guruji's timing and 100% surrender. Like, we could see till the wall, but Guruji could see way beyond the wall. There were a lot of times when, we would feel ki, acha ye cheez ho jani chahiye, aise hona chahiye, waise hona chahiye. No. But it was always planned by Guruji. Everything was planned by Guruji. This was such a beautiful experience with Guruji in Jalandhar, of course. But Guruji's only thing in the evening also was langar खा लो. मतलब गुरुजी प्यार कर करके, लाड कर करके, खिला के संगत को इतना ब्लेस करते थे, और उनके लंगर में ही सारी ब्लेसिंग्स होती थी. Everything was in the langar only, each and everything. So we came back after this beautiful experience with Guruji, and after some time Guruji also I think just a few weeks after that, Guruji was there for a little while, and then he also came back to Delhi. So in 2002 May, I used to always feel when I travel that I wish Guruji can come along with me. बस उनको मेरे साथ ही होना चाहिए. I wish he could travel with me when I'm going somewhere on a flight or anything. So in 2002 May, I was leaving for Kerala, and I told Guruji, I was very just feeling as if, I wish इस trip पे मेरे साथ चल लेते किसी भी तरह. Though of course I knew he's omnipresent, so many miracles, everything, but they are humans, so I would just feel that way. And I just wanted Guruji कि बस किसी तरह साथ चल लें. तो जब मत्था टेका उस दिन, तो गुरुजी ने उस दिन स्वीट दी, टॉफीज. So I felt very nice, टॉफीज का प्रसाद था. तो I felt very nice. ऐसे चलो ये मैं अपने साथ लेके जाऊंगी. It's Guruji is gonna be with me on these next 1 week, 10 days. But I just inside would just keep telling Guruji कि Guruji, I love you so much and I'm going to miss you, और मैं जा रही हूँ and everything. And I actually told Guruji कि Guruji, I'm going to miss you that day when I matha tekod, and when he gave those sweets to me, and he just smiled. So when on my flight, there was so much turbulence the next day, so much turbulence. There were announcements that flights just would not land. And they just said that, even your handbags, your purses, please put them in your overhead bins. And like, it was just a terrible flight to be on. And I think it had taken good 45 minutes extra, but that flight was just not landing, and very bad weather and everything in Kerala. So just before putting my purse upper, like in the overhead cabin, I quickly took out Guruji's Swaroop and I just kept it in my hand, and I prayed and prayed and prayed to Guruji. And almost संगत जी ऐसे था जैसे वो फ्लाइट किसी ने धक्का मार के नीचे लैंड कराई है with such great difficulty, horrible weather and extreme turbulence. Flight land हुई, there was a taxi outside that was there and waiting, so we just put our luggage in, got into the taxi. We sat in the taxi and there was a CD over there, and obviously, the mind was a little disturbed कि इतना turbulence और इतनी horrible flight. So I just requested the driver, can you please play the CD? And of course, like we all know, in Kerala, there's no concept of Hindi. Everybody speaks in English or in their mother tongue over there. तो पंजाबी तो बहुत दूर की बात है. The moment he played that CD, उसमें वो शब्द चलने लगा, आज साडे गुरु अविनाश जी. And I was just shocked. I just asked that driver, I said, do you believe in Guruji? And he said, who is Guruji? So I said, is this your CD? He says, no, I have never heard this music before. Sangat ji, this is Guruji. I just prayed to him, and after this Shabad, the songs after that were all in English. And the driver was shocked, and I was just so overwhelmed. I had tears rolling down my eyes. And I was just so overwhelmed कि Guruji, आप हर जगह हो, आप हर जगह हो. My trip finished, came back, went to Guruji. The moment I touched his feet and I sat, he said, "फिर तेरी flight land करा दी थी?" And I just looked at him and I said, "Guruji, please keep me under your protective umbrella always." It's only and only about surrender with Guruji. Another experience in Taral share. In around 2004 or something, it was severe winter that time, and I had come to Guruji. उस दिन मेरी एक बहुत अच्छी फ्रेंड का बर्थडे था, तो मैंने अराउंड 10 o'clock गुरुजी से बड़ी हिम्मत करके आज्ञा लेने की कोशिश करी. So when we would finish our langar, जब गुरुजी आज्ञा देते थे, बुलाते थे, only then we could all leave. Otherwise we would all just sit there, wait after our langar also. जब तक गुरुजी आज्ञा नहीं देते थे, कोई भी नहीं जाता था वहां से, उनके दरबार से. मैंने बड़ी मुश्किल से हिम्मत करी और आज्ञा ली, और मैंने बोला, गुरुजी मैं जाऊं आज? तो ही से कितने जाना है? ऐसे, गुरुजी मेरी फ्रेंड का बर्थडे है, प्लीज मैं जाऊं? तो ही से, कोई तेरे कम नहीं आना, तेरा गुरु ही तेरे कम आना है, कलयुग आने वाला है. So I just kept quiet and I sat down. And there was a lot of discipline. Guruji ने बोल दिया तो बस बोल दिया. We are not going to budge from that. But why I was getting a little restless? Because I had requested two of my friends to pick me just to go and wish her. Because I had told her कि नहीं, आज मेरा गुरुजी का डे और मैं वहीं जाऊंगी. I will come later on. So around, I just knew कि वो लोग 10 o'clock तो मुझे पिक करने आ गए होंगे. Because I told them कि please 9:30, 10 के बाद 10 o'clock तक आना. Because by the time the langar finishes and Guruji will give आज्ञा, तो इतना टाइम हो जाएगा. So around 10:15, I was little restless again. So I got up and I asked Guruji, कि Guruji, can I go? And he got little upset and he said कि पीछे जाके बैठ जा. So I said okay. I sat पीछे थोड़ा. फिर मुझे लगा कि वो तो बाहर वेट करते रहेंगे गेट पे, और they never used to come to Guruji, और मुझे बार बार यही लग रहा था कि नहीं, विंटर्स का टाइम है, ऐसे बाहर वेट करेंगे. थोड़े टाइम बाद अगेन मैंने बड़ी हिम्मत करी and I just took आज्ञा from Guruji and I left. Guruji did not say anything. He did not say a word. And in my heart, I just knew that I think I have upset Guruji today. So in the end, when I just said, Guruji मैं जाऊं, he just didn't say anything. He just did like ishara and I just went. I left. Mata teke. Sangat ji, when I reached out, I think it was when I reached the gate outside, it was almost 10:30. When I reached there was nobody to pick me up. Just some drivers were standing there, very few drivers, and the guards were there. And उस टाइम पे इतनी लाइट नहीं होती थी वहां पे, and it was winter time, so अंधेरा था, थोड़ा सा foggy था. I called them up on their phone and I asked them, I said, where are you people? So they said there was an accident at IIT and we were actually hoping and we were just thinking that, you'll be waiting outside on the road for us for such a long time. We are so sorry, we are just going to reach. They reached at 10:45. That was Guruji. He was actually keeping me inside, protecting me from coming and standing outside on the road alone. Guruji अपनी हर संगत का इतना ख्याल रखते थे. So this was Guruji, and in my heart I thanked him so much. I thanked him profusely कि गुरुजी मुझे तो समझ नहीं आई, मैं आपसे बार बार पूछे जा रही थी आके कि मैं जाऊं सोच के कि बाहर ये लोग मेरी वेट कर रहे होंगे और यहाँ तो कोई था ही नहीं और आपको ये चीज पता थी. And I just thought in my heart कि no, I will come tomorrow again and I have to come and matha teko and thank Guruji and tell him कि गुरुजी आपने मुझे इतनी देर अपने पास बिठाए रखा. So the next day was Friday. I came back and the moment I matha teko, Guruji asks me, can you there wait कितनी गेट पे? I just kept quiet. I just said sorry and I did not know what to say to him. गुरुजी हर एक चीज जानते थे. वो ये भी जानते थे कि अगर मैं 10 बजे बाहर चली जाती, मैं 45 मिनट्स बाहर गेट पे वेट करती रहती अकेले. He would just protect all of us, each and every one of us. And that was Guruji's way of loving his संगत. बड़ों को, बच्चों को, किसी को भी, कोई भी नहीं होता था जो उनके दरबार में बैठा हो उसको ब्लेसिंग्स ना मिले, उसे प्यार ना मिले. पर टाइमिंग हमेशा गुरुजी की होती थी और सरेंडर ह्यूमन होता था. Anybody who had any question and गुरुजी अच्छी तरह से निचोड़ते थे. It's not that कि गुरुजी will just like not test you. Guruji would test you again and again. Guruji would test you all the time, but you have to pass his test to take his blessings. And with him it was only and only about our faith and his timings. Sangaji, one more time I'll tell you, my son fell very sick. So I think this was around 2006. So one evening we were all sitting with Guruji and after some time there were just few of us left. He said चलो बड़े मंदिर चलते हैं. बहुत थोड़े लोग बचे थे उस दिन. Very few of us, just a handful of us. He said बड़े मंदिर चलो. जब गुरुजी हमें एम्पायर स्टेट से बड़े मंदिर ले जाते थे, there used to be this feeling of immense pride in Guruji's heart, like you could see it on his face. उन्होंने कितने प्यार से ये मंदिर अपने हाथों से बनाया है. And there used to be so much. He would just like how a child flaunts his favorite toy or his favorite thing. That's the way Guruji was. Then he would take us there. It was actually like as if you're going to Disneyland with Guruji. It was so nice coming to the Bada Mandir. So that particular evening we were sitting. Guruji नीचे ही बैठे हुए थे पिलो लगा के हॉल में और हम थोड़े से लोग थे. Suddenly Guruji got up and he was walking out and उन्होंने इशारा करा, मुझे बुलाया. I was very disturbed that day. My son was very unwell and he had been staying unwell for quite a long time. He had a lot of ENT problems and chest congestion, wheezing, prolonged fevers, ear infections repeatedly. So he asked me. I was just thinking in my heart कि गुरुजी कुछ कर दें, कोई miracle. पर और काफी टाइम हो गया था उसको ऐसे बीमार रहते हुए. वो 3 महीने ऑलमोस्ट एंटीबायोटिक्स पे रहता था रिपीटेडली. तो गुरुजी ने जब इशारा करा, I just walked out with him and we quietly, Guruji was not saying anything, and we walked till the Shivji ki murti over there, and suddenly Guruji just stood there and he just looked up and he just like before we went out he just asked me ki pareshan hai, and I just like kept quiet and I just nodded my head. So वहाँ पे Guruji just stood near the Shivji ki murti and he paused and he just looked up and he asked me again, like the same sentence I remembered that he had asked me during the time of my surgery, my cesarean delivery, my delivery basically that the doctor had given me. He asked me the same line, कदों दी डेट दी है डॉक्टर ने? The doctor had actually given me a date for a surgery for my son's ENT issue. So Guruji just looked up and he said, I told him, I said, Guruji 24 दिसंबर की, बड़ी ठंड थी उस दिन रात को भी. And Guruji just said, अच्छा, he didn't say anything. He just looked at me and he said, 24 लंगर खान आ जाए. And I thought to myself कि शायद कोई communication problem हो गई है मेरे और गुरुजी के बीच में. मैं जिस दिन सर्जरी है उस दिन लंगर कैसे खाने आ सकते हो? So and he just says, चलो छुट्टी. and he just gave me agya and I left. The next evening when I went to the ENT doctor with my son, and he had to get this tympanogram. That's a test that is done for the ears to know like the situation for the patient. So when the tympanogram was done, his report had changed. It had completely changed. And when I went inside the doctor's room with that new report, the doctor looked at that report and he looked at the old report and he said, I think I will have to cancel the OT booking for the 24th at the hospital. जो उस दिन की सर्जरी 24 दिसंबर की इसकी बुक्ड थी और गुरुजी ने मुझे कुछ दिन पहले ही बोल दिया था कि 24 को लंगर खाना आ जाए, और मैं अपने मन में सोच रही थी कि गुरुजी लंगर कैसे खाने आऊंगी, मैं तो वहां हॉस्पिटल में होंगी उसके साथ, वो तो एडमिटेड होगा। और तभी मुझे लग रहा था कि ना तो मैं 24 तारीख को लंगर खाने आ सकती हूँ और 31 दिसंबर को भी मैं उनके साथ प्रोग्राम नहीं अटेंड कर पाऊंगी, न्यू ईयर्स ईव का जो फंक्शन करते थे गुरुजी इतने सुंदर तरह से और इतने प्यार से। बट संगत जी, गुरुजी की मर्जी थी, उस डॉक्टर ने ओटी की बुकिंग कैंसिल करी हमारी और उसकी सर्जरी नहीं हुई, एंड विद मेडिसिन ओनली ही गॉट बेटर। दिस वाज गुरुजी's way of blessing and giving his divine prasad blessings to his sangat, loving them tremendously. And Guruji would actually tell us कि लाइना लगा करेंगी इथे, you know, when we would go for the functions or when he would just take us to the बड़ा मंदिर, when he would say this कि इधर लाइनें लगेंगी, we would actually wonder कि अच्छा यहाँ पे इतनी संगत हर रोज कैसे आएगी, कैसे होएगा सब कुछ। We would actually like wonder to ourselves. And संगत जी, आज हम देखते हैं all of us how there are so many people, there is so much sangat. The way Guruji is there, Guruji is a part of everybody's life. Everyone is attached to Guruji. Guruji has blessed so many people, so many people, and the way everybody's faith in Guruji has grown. My only and only thing to all the sangat is, please keep your faith with Guruji. Yes, there are very hard times, that especially now that we are going through, but please keep your faith. This faith actually takes you ahead, long way ahead with Guruji through the journey. Just about 4 years back with me, it was Guruji's birthday on the 7th of July 2016. I'll share my experience. And on the 3rd of July, I had gone for a movie. I was eating popcorn. वो बहुत hard था and I chewed it. तो मेरे दांत में बहुत दर्द हुई. I went to the doctor, I went to the dentist and he told me कि आपके तो दांत क्रैक हो गए हैं, and he did one X-ray, he showed me and he said I need to do your root canal, but इतना inflammation हो गया है इसमें कि आपको medication लेनी होगी and you please come back and after 5 days. So I said ठीक है, ये 3rd की बात थी. 8th को डेंटिस्ट ने वापस बुलाया था. Throughout those 5 days, he said ये 5 दिन आप दवाई लीजिए और फिर आइए. Throughout those 5 days, I could not chew anything. On the 7th, on Guruji's birthday, when I went, I touched Guruji's feet and I said, Guruji, किसी तरह I want to finish my langar prasad here, please, and I really want to be able to chew. Please मेरे को आप bless करो. और ये एक या दो दांत, मेरे 4 of my teeth had actually cracked, 4 दांत. So धीरे धीरे करके मैंने बैठ के उस दिन लंगर खाया from like one side. And I was able to finish it. The next morning, 7th की बात है ये, on 8th morning, the dentist had called me at 9 o'clock. He said, because इतने सारे दांतों का करना है एक एक करके, आप प्लीज सुबह 9 o'clock पे आना. I want you to be the first patient and we'll do your thing. So I went. He said, okay, we'll do one X-ray to just compare with your previous X-ray. When he did the X-ray, he saw my teeth had healed completely. वो जो डेंटल छोटे हैमर्स टूल्स होते हैं उससे वो ठक 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 करके देख रहे हैं कि मेरे दांत ठीक हुए हैं या नहीं. बट गुरुजी's blessings, I had eaten the prasad and the dentist was shocked and he asked me कि ये आपने क्या करा है. Like I cannot believe it that this is the X-ray of the same person, because there were no cracks which were visible in an X-ray 5 days before had completely disappeared, and within 5 minutes he sent me back. Like almost, he told me कि अच्छा ठीक है, it's okay, I'll just wait now. मेरी next appointment तो काफी देर के बाद की थी. He said what? So I told him, I said, you know, I really believe in this Guruji and ये मेरे Guruji हैं. Showed him Guruji's स्वरूप from my wallet and I said बस I went yesterday, I ate langar. So he said, अच्छा. And then he asked me about Guruji. आज वो भी Guruji के जाते हैं. But now when I take my son to the dentist or anything, he often jokes with me and he tells me कि बस Guruji मेरे पेशेंट्स पे कृपा करें, but मेरे पेशेंट्स बनाए भी रखें. So it's actually, he's such a big follower of Guruji also today. So this is Guruji. वो सबको ब्लेस करते हैं, सबको हील करते हैं, पर उन्हीं की टाइमिंग होती है. आप देखिए संगत जी, कितनी संगत बढ़ गई है. There is so much sangat that is coming to the mandir. Guruji knew it. He when he would say this, the confidence which he would say this, and he would say it to everybody कि यहाँ पे इतनी लाइनें लगेंगी, इतनी संगत बढ़ जाएगी, तब आप मतलब सबको गुरुजी की वैल्यू पता चलेगी. और बिकॉज गुरुजी हमारे साथ होते थे. Of course we all knew he is God, like he's omnipresent, he's a Mahapurush, he's everything. But because he was in human form, we took him as a human being with immense divine power. And that is what Guruji used to tell us that time, कि जब बाद में सालों बाद मेरी कदर होगी और पता चलेगा. And actually the way the mandir, the management is now, and the kind of discipline that is maintained, it is just amazing. It's actually magical. This is the way Guruji would have wanted it. You know, it's actually the best blessing is, I think, the way the mandir and the management is run. Like, who would have ever thought कि इतना डिसिप्लिन, इतनी संगत के साथ. पहले भी जब गुरुजी बड़े फंक्शंस करते थे, फंक्शंस होते थे, मंदिर में बहुत डिसिप्लिन होता था. और जिस तरह से आज है, it is so commendable. It's actually such a big blessing on Gaurav Bhaiya, on all the संगत, on everybody. जिस तरह से वो सब कुछ मैनेज करते हैं, so immaculately, with so much discipline, just the way Guruji would have liked it. और गुरुजी का दरबार जिस तरह से सजता है, और गुरुजी of course, गुरुजी was very simple. एंड जिस तरह से लंगर भी सर्व होता है अभी, बिल्कुल जिस तरह गुरुजी चाहते थे और गुरुजी करते थे. हलवा प्रसाद, वही रोटी प्रसाद विद द घी ऑन इट, द दाल सब्जी, बिल्कुल इसी तरह गुरुजी भी हमें अपने हाथों से खिलाते थे. और इसी लंगर में, इसी प्रसाद में इतनी ब्लेसिंग्स हैं. गुरुजी के जल प्रसाद में, हाउ मेनी पीपल get cured, get treated just by eating this. Guruji would do so many kalyans, so many people, and he would actually take it on himself. And we as human beings would feel कि गुरुजी ये भी कर दें, गुरुजी वो भी कर दें, पर टाइमिंग गुरुजी की होती थी. हमेशा भर भर के प्यार करते थे. गुरुजी was actually like शिव भगवान, totally शिव भगवान. थोड़ा सा प्यार और भर के वापस झोलियां भर भर के देते थे. और वही आज भी होता है. जब आप मंदिर जाओ, इतना डिसिप्लिन है, इतना सब कुछ, बट इतना प्यार से, इतने सबसे अच्छे से हर संगत को वहां पे प्रसाद मिलता है. सब कुछ, फ्रॉम चाय प्रसाद टू लंगर प्रसाद, समोसा प्रसाद ऑन मंडे, एवरीथिंग इज सो ब्यूटिफुली मैनेज्ड एंड सो ब्यूटिफुली डन, एंड दैट टू हैंडलिंग सो मेनी पीपल. जब आप अदरवाइज किसी मंदिर में जाते हो तो किसी एक दिन, कभी जन्माष्टमी वाले दिन, शिवरात्रि वाले दिन कहीं पे रश होता है, बट हमारे गुरुजी के यहाँ तो इतनी संगत, इतने अच्छे से एवरीथिंग इज मैनेज्ड. दिस इज ओनली एंड ओनली बिकॉज ऑफ गुरुजी's blessings. It could have never happened without his blessings and without him wanting it this way. So Sangat ji, I would really request everyone that please keep your faith and your patience with Guruji. It's about faith and patience both. And you'll see the best miracles happening in your life. In 2018, just 2 years back, I had traveled to Hong Kong. And that time, एक दिन मुझे शाम को गुरुजी की बहुत याद आ रही थी, बहुत ज्यादा. And coincidentally, रात का टाइम था and most of the shops were closing and my son was there. And I just thought, like, I really remembered Guruji. वहाँ पे एक अरमानी का स्टोर था, तो मेरे को बहुत गुरुजी की याद आई. And I was just thinking to myself कि कैसे मैं गुरुजी के लिए अरमानी के कभी सॉक्स लेती थी कुछ, और वो इनको इतने शौक से पहनते थे. तो आई जस्ट वेंट इनसाइड दैट शॉप एंड इट वाज गोइंग टू क्लोज. बस क्लोजिंग टाइम था और नीचे स्टेयर्स थी. मैं ऐसे ऊपर अंदर टहल रही थी, बस गुरुजी को इतना याद कर रही थी. और हांगकांग जैसी जगह में, आप मानेंगे नहीं, सडनली जो उनका वहां पे म्यूजिक चल रहा था वो चेंज हुआ और एक पंजाबी फोक सॉन्ग जो गुरुजी सुनते थे, बाजरे दा सिट्टा, वो चलने लग गया. और वहां पे जो सेल्स गर्ल्स थी, मैंने उसको पूछा, मैंने कहा कि do you play this music here often? तो कहती है, no, I have never heard this music. And you know how they don't speak in such fluent English also, and like that little half broken English. And she's like, no. And वो गाना चलते रहा, and we were all so surprised, and I was just like, literally कि गुरुजी को जहां मन से दिल से याद करो, वहां इतनी गुरुजी की खुशबू सडनली उस दुकान में इतनी ज्यादा, वही गुरुजी अपने दर्शन देते हैं, वही खुशबू आती है, एंड ही जस्ट मेक्स यू फील दैट ही इज ओमनी प्रेजेंट एंड ही इज विद यू. मतलब लिटरली वो कहते हैं ना कि गुरुजी आप बस हाथ पकड़े रहना हमेशा. इट्स लाइक दैट. यहाँ पे भी जब गुरुजी के पास जाते थे हमेशा यही होता था कि गुरुजी बस आप साथ रहना हमेशा, गुरुजी आप कभी भी छोड़ना मत, बस हमेशा अपनी ब्लेसिंग्स बनाए रखना, हाथ पकड़े रहना हमेशा. एंड दैट्स व्हाट गुरुजी हैज डन. इट्स जस्ट अबाउट सरेंडर. लॉट ऑफ अस गो हेवायर, हम सब भटक जाते हैं थोड़े टाइम के लिए, and you know we would suddenly lose patience. It's only because of losing patience. We're all humans. It happens, and it happened with me also. Like sometimes, you know, I would lose patience, I would bhatko, but then suddenly Guruji इतना strong reminder देते थे कि वो suddenly याद आता था कि अरे नहीं ये क्या हो रहा है मेरे साथ. And it would almost be like, you know, coming back to Guruji in front of his Swaroop, sitting. There's nothing, Sangatji, that you speak in front of Guruji's Swaroop with full surrender, full dedication, and he doesn't listen. Nothing. गुरुजी एक एक बात सुनते हैं, पर टाइमिंग उनकी होती है हमेशा. वो जर्नी, वो रास्ता हमने उनके साथ पार करना है. बहुत बारी लाइक बहुत लोगों का वो हाथ छूट जाता है, थोड़ा भटक जाते हैं, दे रिकनेक्ट, बट इट्स जस्ट अबाउट हैविंग योर फेथ एंड हैविंग योर सरेंडर विद गुरुजी इंटैक्ट. गुरुजी कभी कभी नहीं किसी को छोड़ते, कभी भी नहीं. एक बार जिनके साथ गुरुजी ने अपनी like blessings दी, they are always with those people. It's up to us. Just recently, a few months back, my son gave his board exams. His results came and he took commerce with maths. He realized that he did not want to study maths. So he told me, he's like, I want to change my subject. I said, see, schools are shut. You're going to have online classes. We'll just request your school to change your subject. If they agree, it's fine. Otherwise, you just please leave it to Guruji. And he has a lot of faith in Guruji also. So he said, okay. But he spoke to me, he spoke to his father. He told his father, आप email लिखो ना. He said, ठीक है मैं लिखता हूँ. So both of them, they were writing emails to the principal, to school, everything for change of subject. And a few months went by, it did not happen. So one day, and every night in our house, we all sit together and we listen to the satsangs. And it's just like a habit for all of us, you know, as a family, we just sit together and we listen. So he just told me, he's like, Mama, आपने नहीं किया मेरे लिए. अब देखो मेरे एग्जाम्स भी शुरू होने वाले हैं. What's going to happen? My subject has not got changed. I don't want maths. I want my subject changed, please. So I said, okay. And that night, I just prayed to Guruji. And he said, please talk to my supervisor at least. So I requested her, I sent her a message and I requested the supervisor to please put in a request on how all the emails that had been sent over the past few months were not answered. So she said, Monday is the last day. I'm going to school and it's been a few months, I know. And let me just try. I will put his request ahead. There are many requests like this for subject change. I said, please, I really request you to do this. वो थोड़ा अपसेट हो रहा था. I said, just do one thing. Please pray to Guruji. Monday का डे है, आज संडे है, आप बस गुरुजी को प्रे करो. सॉरी, सैटरडे की बात थी. I said, आप बस गुरुजी को प्रे करो. Saturday, Sunday, 2 days. And then Monday you just pray to Guruji again and let's see what happens. If it's meant to be, it will happen. But please pray to him. So he also said कि ठीक है. And then he just told me कि मुझे गुरुजी को ही बोलना था ना, आपने तो किया नहीं, देखो इतने months निकल गए. And in my heart I just knew if it's meant to be happening, it will happen. So sure enough, on Monday, the supervisor sent a message to get in touch with her. His subject got changed after so many months, and he had 1 month. And she says he has 1 month to prepare. Now they have half-yearly exams. He has 1 month to prepare for this new subject, and he has to do this on his own. He said fine. So we gave a letter and everything. Sangatji, this child studied it on his own. He's given his exam on his own. 2 days before his exam, he said, I need help. So I said, okay, fine, let me arrange for some teacher for you. We found a tuition teacher also. He gave him 2 classes. He's been able to give his exams. Everything happened. Only and only Guruji's blessings. And this is what I feel. Sometimes we panic and we just feel कुछ नहीं हो रहा. But वो टाइमिंग तो गुरुजी की होगी. वो 3 महीने लग जाए, 4 लग जाए, 5, 3 साल, 4 साल, 5 साल. It will happen when it's meant to be happening, when it is destined to happen for us. We all have to go through that time and that phase with Guruji only. We cannot. It's that time. It's that testing time. If we like lose our faith and if we just lose our surrender, then we are at a loss. We are the ones who will eventually suffer. Guruji would never ever leave us. It's we humans who lose faith. But it's, please everyone, even in the hardest and toughest times, for even small children like in the house, you just surrender to Guruji. और Guruji तो बच्चों की बात बहुत अच्छे से सुनते हैं, because children are so innocent and they are so like loving. You just pray to Guruji with all your heart and Guruji will definitely answer your prayers. There's not any prayer of anyone's that Guruji doesn't answer, and Guruji looks after his whole संगत. ऐसा कभी भी कोई नहीं होगा जो गुरुजी के दरबार से खाली हाथ जाएगा. This is not only my personal experience, but the experience of so many people in the Sangat. How I can again one more instance I remember. Once we were sitting with Guruji and when we just like Guruji को बड़ा शौक होता था कभी कभी कुछ संगत के साथ कहीं जाना, कभी कॉफी पिलाने ले जाते थे कहीं कभी कहीं. तो एक दिन I had gone alone that day और Guruji said he was taking us all to Meridian. गुरुजी को वहां जाके चाइनीज खाने बहुत अच्छा लगता था एंड ही वुड जस्ट टेक अस देयर. सो हम सब जा रहे थे एंड कॉफी पीने. तो आई रियलाइज कि मेरी कार थोड़ी आगे खड़ी है. मैं मन में सोच रही हूँ कि अब मैं जाऊंगी अकेले, थोड़ा फॉगी भी हो रहा है, कैसे होगा. संगत जी वोंट बिलीव इट, गुरुजी एक एक इंसान को, सबको, मतलब ये इसके साथ बैठेगा, ये ऐसे जाएगा, ये गुरुजी सबके लिए सब कुछ अरेंज करते थे. It was not that you were just left कि गुरुजी ने बोल दिया कहीं जाना है तो वहां पहुंचो. गुरुजी को सबका ख्याल होता था. I went, मेरी कार थोड़ी आगे पार्क थी. I went and the moment I took that U-turn from there, I saw that there were 2 cars with their blinkers on, and that uncle who was there, I put my window down and he said, Gayatri aunty, and I said, हाँ जी. He said, अच्छा ठीक है. Then that auntie from that car, she came and sat in my car and said, आप please follow करिए, we'll just go together. So Guruji used to take so much care of everyone. एक एक छोटी छोटी चीज का भी ध्यान रखते थे फॉर एवरीथिंग. सो इट्स लाइक उनको सबका ख्याल था. फिर वहां पहुंचते थे तो गुरुजी वेट करते थे. ऐसा नहीं कि कहीं पहुंच गए हैं तो गुरुजी जाके बैठ गए, क्योंकि थोड़े से लोग जाते थे उनके साथ. तो ही वुड एक्चुअली बी देयर. लाइक व्हेन यू रीच, गुरुजी वुड बी देयर इन द लॉबी एंड इट यूज्ड टू बी सो ब्यूटीफुल. दोस एक्सपीरियंसेस वर समथिंग एल्स ओनली, लाइक जस्ट गोइंग विद गुरुजी, सिटिंग. And then Guruji would often say कि चलो सब कोल्ड कॉफी पियेंगे या whatever, like जो गुरुजी बोलते थे फिर वो ऑर्डर करते थे. like अगर उनको जो खाना वो बोलते थे फिर हम वो ऑर्डर करते थे. It was just beautiful. We've had such beautiful experiences with him and mostly so loving. इतने प्यार से और इतने भर भर के blessings वाले दिन गुरुजी के साथ बिताए हैं. They were just truly truly amazing, full of discipline. And Guruji would actually teach us from right to wrong. There was always, Guruji would always like tell everyone to ego. He would actually just do like an ego perforation. Like 4 people eating out of one thali. कोई किसी के साथ भी बैठ के खा रहा है, कुछ भी. There were no questions asked, nothing. That was Guruji. So we've actually I've spent some beautiful years with him, most memorable, and his blessings endlessly continue till now. But yes, of course, his timings and our faith. Guruji it's been such a miraculous, beautiful journey with him. Lots of hardships, ups and downs, beautiful days, lots and lots of love from Guruji. Sangat ji, please आप सब अपनी faith बनाए रखें. And in these difficult times also, of course, there is Guruji is blessing everyone. There is so much Sangat everywhere. Guruji just blesses each and every one of us. And it's just such a beautiful journey with him. Jai Guruji, I just wish and pray that this beautiful journey continues for everybody with Guruji. और Guruji की संगत इसी तरह उनको प्यार करती रहे और Guruji भी सबको bless करते रहे. Jai Guruji. Thank you so much, Uncle Ji. Jai Guruji.